lights. We're gonna do the upper floor. There's three, well actually 2 stories, but 3 stories for stairs down into the garage. And we're gonna actually pull the hoses all the way up here, and then we're gonna then go back down and bring it back into the first floor, and then actually end up going through the garage for the stairs on the bottom. So we're in Morro Bay, California. Beautiful view right off the shoreline there. Nice day. Okay, so this is the carpet. Aaron's vacuuming right now. Already finished vacuuming this one. This is a kind of like elevator for the wheelchair. The elderly man that lives here. So yeah, carpets are pretty soiled. And we got an area right here, organic, urine probably. So I mixed up some Undoes It, and I got some liquid alive in here for the odors. Go ahead and treat that right now. I think this is the only area with that problem. Yeah. You can tell that it Undoes It's really knocking out the stain right away. So I put some liquid alive in there for, although Undoes It does eliminate odor, the liquid alive actually has a really great pleasant smell to it. So I depend more on the Undoes It for the stain and for any odor problem. It will be, look at it, it's already gone. Holy moly, are you kidding me right now? Okay, so I got carpet details in my Hydro Force, and I'm gonna pre-spray. Trying to find the lights. Alright, so stay tuned. I'm gonna go ahead and pre-spray. I don't know what's wrong with my wording right now, but I'm gonna get on just to keep working here. So, alright, stay tuned. That's a must-have. Four down. Looks very good. Very, very, very good. I did mix up some Sagers for some spots here and there. Other than that, the carpet detail did a really, really good job. So now we gotta go down there. Yeah, you like it? Right. That's good to hear. I did those stairs, we still gotta do these. And doing a little bit more spot spray, and then he's scrubbing it with the hand drill. Alright, so that's first and second floor. Now we're going to go down and do the last flight of stairs. We got to go into the garage to do that, so I work my way down. The customer walked through the first half and said it looked great, and Aaron said it's so good you'd think we were carpet installers. So I thought that was hilarious. But it's true, look at it. Looks like brand new carpet. So down the last flight of stairs, then we're wrapping it up. Stay tuned. All right. All finished up. Call this one a wrap. So thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please like, subscribe, comment, you know the routine. And we'll see you in the next video. Get out anyway.